shortly be beginning our descent into Holmfirth. Now, where we're going is just outside the centre of Holmfirth, called the Cafe. It's about roughly half a mile from the centre, so when we get down into Holmfirth, if you know the famous Sid's Cafe, we're going to direct you from there. So, okay. In the meantime, you can admire the views. Look at it, it's like in a valley, isn't it? Lots of cars parked all over. Get over. Knock your mirror off.
It knocked his off.
Coming through, mate. No, don't stop, will you? There we are, Holmfirth. Wait, I'm coming through, coming through. That building is they used to make them postcards, you know, with smutty
Bamford's.
jokes on.
Bamford's, yeah.
So
Yeah, it was Holmfirth, wasn't it? I remember. Still probably smutty.
Right, so around this corner, there's a church, and then just, is it there? Yeah, where roadworks are for some strange reason. There's Sid's Cafe's left up there, where this guy is, turn left down there. This is Bamford Street, just up here. Now once you get about 500 yards up here, there is a sign for the carding shed, so we'll follow that. There's a lot of nice restaurants up this road as well.
It's been the best, isn't it?
God, it's busy. I hope they all ain't been to the Cafe. It's that busy, there's no seats. Classic car display.
Yes. Carding shed, that's wall, what they used to do with
It's
wall.
called Washpit Lane, is it?
Christ.
Just stay on this road and then turn right end, and then you're there basically. Don't go down there.
No, I won't go down there.
Because that's somebody's house.
She might go down there in snow. Is she?
I'm a bit worried about this road because I thought that this was just wide enough for one car. It looked like it on Google Maps. You know there'll be one coming. Thanks for stopping, mate.
Well, they went. I think they'll be big, don't they?
Yes. Yeah, but we saw someone comes flying around this corner now.
That's why I have to go slowly.
Somebody's got some courtesy.
Watch me mirror.
There we go.
This man to be there to it.
It's not as long as as I thought it was. I thought it was longer than this. But you turn right here, and it's just round that corner.
That's a bit steep, a bit down here.
I bet that's an old mill or something. Can you even see up there? I can't see to get out.
Yeah, there's no coming.
Right.
I say it's old mill house. We probably go in the lifter.
Yeah. Just on this corner here, and this is the Orcan Cafe and Carding Shed.
And there's a post box if you want to send a postcard.
Yes. I think they need to re-tarmac this road.
Let's have a look. Where's your park? Is this a car park?
I believe that's it there, but must be able to get in.
That's what cars.
It's a bit narrow to get in there.
See where it says coming there. Warning. Public.
Voila. So, it's a fairly big car park, isn't it? Yeah. Outside seating. Yeah. I take it entrances around front. Some nice views around here though, isn't there? It's all hilly. Yeah, I take it you go up here. Oh, because it's road, there's no pavement, is there? So, I think that's the cafe. Look, I think that this says the cafe because the bikes are open. I wouldn't like to go to those steps though. Yeah. Classics and racing services. Yeah, you can see them here.
Some holidays, you could come around and do a bit more concrete and
Would you like to walk around there first?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Well, it says there Wednesday to Sunday. I thought it would just closed Mondays. Front end of the tab up there. Actually a functioning garage though, isn't it?
What?
Actually a functioning garage.
Look at that little thing.
Oh my god, generally. Dun dun dun.
That's festive, isn't it? That's from festive.
That's the original 500, yeah. 1962. They are. The Beast. Yes.
Is that first car that you bought on this?
It's a lot bigger than I thought it was.
Yeah.
I took my sunglasses off on my own.
It's nice, isn't it? Pretty clean.
Yeah. What's left of a jag, it looks.
Is it in Brompton?
Read about one. There is a famous racing driver called Bamforth.
Is it in? You showed me.
Yeah.
They were a car weight on, weren't they?
Yeah.
It might be that, but I can't see from you.
Just got with it now. Yeah, they were from around here somewhere. Villa set, 1934. Huh?
It's a recurrent, says it outside, isn't it? Holmfirth.
Yeah, it is, like a stock car.
Yeah.
Old trophies there, look. Wow. It's got to be a really windy way, isn't it? God. I remember my dad had an RAC on the front of the car. Yes? I mean, you gotta get the badges like that on front of cars.
That's what my dad's
Oh,
got.
trying to head.
My dad had that RAC one, but it was exciting when we used to
Yeah.
play in it.
Yeah,
To
yeah.
make it shine.
I mean, this place is an absolute gem for any petrol head, isn't it? It's a dream. I think I don't like it here, actually. What a memorabilia. Automotive memorabilia.
Just go pick him up and tell him we're going somewhere anymore.
Yeah.
Can you wear it might be thick snow though, eh?
I want to get over there with General Lee. Dukes of Hazzard.
Could be.
For patch.
I want that one.
Off the tight space.
Put that one on.
Dr. Who's here?
Look at helmets.
Zephyr front end.
This is Zephyr, yeah.
Mark 4 Zephyr, is it? Not sure. Let's have a look at General Lee.
Is that what you want about Dukes of Hazzard too?
That'll make a good thumbnail, won't it? Just you know. Absolute beast. I mean, I think this is about like a... They're about a 7.2 litre or something. Dodge Charger. Jesus Christ, it's huge. I'm not really happy about the colour of the dashboard though. It's like a 1970s salad bowl. Ooh.
Top colour, isn't it?
Automatic transmission by the looks of it. Wow.
I'll tell him at work about that. He's probably in the hairstyle.
The size of wheels, huge. I don't like tyre bill.
Are they alloys?
There will be. It's not the actual one from, it's a
No,
replica,
it's-
isn't it? Because
Showing that it's not
I think I can remember the number plate on it. It was CNH320 or something. That's my band. Oh, gee.
It's got arms and a lobster.
It's like a miniature. Is it actually run? Oh my god.
Like a Benz.
It's got a steering wheel and a seat and everything. What? That's wicked.
Is that, what's that?
It's a frog-eyed Sprite, I think. Or a Healy.
Amalgam.
Frog-eyed Healy.
It's not Morgan.
No, it's not the Morgan, darling. I'm still fantasising over that General Lee. That's the best thing I've seen for ages. You never see him at car shows?
I used to take it now. Never seen it at a car show before.
No. Matt one Escort van. Look at that.
Yeah, van.
Yeah.
Who used them then? Anybody use?
Oh, BT used them and NCB used them. Wow. Not a bit of rust on it. And but big handle on back. Big handle on back.
Yeah. What's this one?
It's, I believe, I'm not sure if Toyota or Nissan made them. They were quite rare. They were actually out in the 90s. It's not as old a car as it looks. It looks like a 1950s sort of thing, doesn't it?
You go there, mirrors like that. Did they used to move? My dad's did, I'm sure they like.
Yeah, you had like a flick switch on it. Farrago, that's it, yeah. Nissan, yeah. You look closely there, it says
So
Nissan.
what's it say?
Nissan.
Oh, this one.
Nissan Farrago. So, go to art in the 90s. I mean, look, it is a working garage. I mean, this is what they're working on at the minute. It looks like there's an old Triumph in there as well, like British Racing Green up back there.
Yeah.
You see it for 300.
That's a new Fiat.
Old Mercedes. Pagoda, is it?
That's a new Fiat, isn't it?
There's a tuk-tuk.
What's that over there, Kevin? That silver one.
Silver one. That I don't know. Oh, bikes hang up. When I've seen them on other people's videos, a lot of these are for sale. They're a price tag at window. God, old 3 Series. Yeah.
What's the BMW, isn't it?
It's a 3 Series, yeah. Similar to 2000. Heineken. That's like I had, but mine was a 2-door. That's E30, that. God, Mark 2 Transit.
That's how we know.
My dad had one of them as well.
What?
Transit.
Not like that.
No, he didn't have a
We do that.
start box. Oh, there's even more. What's in here? What?
Used to have one of them at school, I think them horses. They used to go like that and it used to move.
SLK, is it? And what looks like
This have been used much.
the Combi Van Type 2, maybe? Being restored. Yeah. Old-fashioned bike, front 50s, with all big mud guards on it. Is that the what? Look at that, somebody's made a sled out of a chopper. Wow.
Ice cream, you must put it down today and sit down. You know what you want, it's new.
Wait till you see it.
Chicken setting. That's it, okay. No. So, might have to book it, eh? Fitness is not. Supposed to go. It's a part of garage and all that. Nippy, isn't it?
I like it, it's nice and airy. You're not near a radio, are we? So.
Steak milk pie. No. Look at its breakfast.
Sugar and melt. Stick it over. Chicken and bacon salad. And your arms see it. Come. Then shower that. Well, it is Huddersfield that it comes from, so
Oh, it is, isn't it?
I feel myself.
Plowman.
I wouldn't want smashed avocado on toast. No. It's a bit too posh for me, though. Or a beetroot and fetels flatbread.
Beetroot and falafel. Yep. Same piece, it's cheapy. Take a jacket tea to eat. Green chilli.
I can't believe it, they've actually got bitter shandy, calamity lemonade and dandelion burger. Banana milkshake.
Must have got their own with it. Do you mind?
Yeah.
What's that to it?
Sugar. Salt.
Sugar on it.
That's how you have glasses. Smaller please. Then layer sugar. Sugar.
Yeah,
I think they're already salted anyway. They look like the homemade skin on.
yeah. Have you tried one?
Oh, it's lovely. What is this? Red onion dip? Red onion?
Yeah.
Or red cabbage? Oh. It's nice that. It's like pickled red cabbage and the creamy sauce. I went for the beef brisket burger. And served on a brioche bun. You do get quite a lot of meat on that. That's lovely. Really tender as well. I'd like to bite into that.
Pepper.
Close up of the meat if I can get it into the camera.
What?
Real close up. Oh my god. It melts in my mouth. It is, isn't it? It's steaky.
In the bed back. It's a bit mine if you want. Straight hot.
It's not spicy hot. Nice. It's almost like bolognese.
Not cucumber there.
Not if it's soaked in vinegar.
No,
A bit pickled.
I want to wreck it all up.
Delicious.
Why is it so midnight?
They do. Don't put it on your plate as well because it'll topple over with weight.
Oh.
I remember when Darren brought me some of them. So how much what jacket's pod?
No, it's good.
How
much?
How much?
Oh, £10.
£10.
Maybe not with that, but you expect it, don't you, at a cafe?
Pretty much same everywhere, isn't it? Of course. When in Huddersfield, you must bench yours. Because it's from Huddersfield. So, it's looking me right in the face. I didn't see it.
I'm robbing it after.
I'll attempt to pick it up. Oh my god. city.
Got your first brisket burger.
It's absolutely lovely as well. So yeah, won't go amiss.
Right.
Wow. Surprised me. Messy bit lovely.
You are?
Messy bit lovely. It's very barbecue saucy.
What it is, isn't it?
But that brisket's been cooking all day.
There is one.
It's been cooking for a long time.
Might have put it on
Really tender.
It's a slow cooker, do you think?
Yeah, definitely. It's so tender. So what we're giving it?
Well, 10, I think. It's good enough.
10.
Yeah, it's good enough.
That's everything. That's the carding shed.
Oh, yeah, because
As
it's
well.
all right to look at it, isn't it?
Yeah.
2 out of 5. Car park's big enough.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I've got a wrong way to say it, but
Easy to find. They're nice, aren't they? Glasses.
food's
That's
all
nice.
homemade.
Clean.
And, yeah. None of that frozen chip rubbish.
No, they're all right, aren't they?
Yeah.
All my chips then, do you think?
Yeah, skin and fries. Yeah, so there you have it.
Yeah.
There you have it. Right, the bill. How much was it all? £31.30 all in. £14.95 for the beef brisket burger, which I had. Jacket potato that you had, £10.95. £2.70 for a can of Benchers. Should be 50p, shouldn't it?
Sure, they get it for 50p.
Yeah. But I'm quite happy with that price actually. 30 quid, 15 quid each.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that was a carding shed. I'll see you.